Design number 18. Villa residence with curved roof. A floor plan from the 1850s. This design was made for Mr. F. J. Betts to be erected as a villa residence on his property near Newburgh, and the working plans and specifications have been studied out in detail and prepared for contract. At the time, however, that the drawings were completed, the house was estimated by mechanics in the neighborhood to cost between $11,000 and $12,000. And as this was about $1,000 more than Mr. Betts then wished to lay out, he concluded to postpone building till a more favorable opportunity, so that the work has not yet been carried into execution. The accommodation proposed consists of a recessed porch opening onto a hall 18 feet square, on one side of which is a handsome morning room isolated from the other apartments. There is also a drawing room, a library, and a dining room, so arranged as to form a suite of 3 principal rooms, all connected together by doors, but at the same time furnished with separate entrances from the main hall. These 3 rooms face south, which is the pleasantest aspect in the Highlands. And as they command in this direction a remarkably fine view over the Hudson, which adds much to the value of the site, each is provided with a large bay and window seat, placed so as to overlook the river. Both the parlor and morning room open onto a large veranda, and the dining room is connected with a more retired piazza, as shown on the plan. A large pantry is provided close to the dining room and servant's staircase, while a private office and water closet are arranged near the garden entrance. In an enclosed veranda, so as not to be more than 1 story high, a little extra accommodation on the principal floor may often be gained in a country house in this way at but a small additional expense. An ample kitchen, with all other necessary offices attached, is provided in the basement, and a convenient chamber plan and attic are included in the design. But it has not been thought necessary to give here more than the general view and the disposition of rooms on the first floor. This house was proposed to be built with a curved roof, in combination with gabled projections, and to be well finished in brickwork. The flat on the top of the roof was to be surrounded by a railing, and to be furnished with an easy staircase from the rooms below, so as to form a handsome and accessible platform that would command an extensive panoramic view of the varied and beautiful scenery in the neighborhood. Such a view would differ very much from the more circumscribed landscapes to be obtained from the windows at a lower level, and would have a marked character and interest of its own. It was therefore thought well worthwhile, in arranging the roof plan, to make ample provision for a free enjoyment of the opportunity thus afforded.